Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this fantastic outdoor cat house or dog house that I'm just showing it to you inside my house. It's an outdoors for sure. You can use it inside if you want, for sure. That's going to be really good. But today we are here with Tiger Shaggy. This is one of my 4 cats because my cats are not outdoor cats. And when I finish assembling this one, which by the way is going to take you about 15 minutes, no more than that. When I finished assembling this one, that this man sent it to me for the video, he jumped in. Like right away, he jumped in. He was kind of like super cozy in this really nice cushion. You can see how nice this cushion is. He loves it. And after that, I found that he was sleeping inside. Another one of my cats jumped in where he was inside, and both were sleeping inside. So I told myself, you know what? My cats are not outdoor cats. They're not patio cats. They're indoor cats, not cars. So that's why I'm going to show it inside. But the fact that you can put this one outside, outdoors, and they can have a really nice kind of like nap outdoors if you want, not being outside in the sun and having some shade, it is really good. Size-wise, this one is about like 35 inches by 27, give or take. So it's pretty big, I would say. And since this one supports 110 pounds, I think it is a really good one for medium to large size dogs. Of course, you're not going to have a 100 pounds cat, but this one, this guy over here, he's 21 pounds. So that's a really heavy cat, I want to say. Let's take a closer look with Tiger in it. So I kind of really like that this made of this really nice wicker. So it's going to be entirely water resistant. I mean, it's not waterproof. If it is raining, water will get inside. But what I'm saying about waterproof is that you can leave it outside. Nothing is going to happen. It's not going to rust. It's not going to decay. You may want to get the pillow, the cushion inside in case that it's raining or something like that. But you don't have to. This one, after drying back again with the sun, is going to be in the same shape. But again, this one is pretty resistant. As you can see, it comes with a really nice support right here on the back and legs on the back. So you're going to have this one with the distribution of the weight pretty normally. And then, as I was just telling you before, they have this really nice cushion with this high density cushion over here, so they can sleep perfectly. They're not going to have any issues. You can take this thing outside. You can leave it inside if you want. They're going to love it. They're going to really, really enjoy it. I love this crate. It's kind of like a mini house for them. But remember, not so mini with 110 pounds weight limit. I like it. I give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.